with the behavior that goes too far. You're just hurting people. You might think you're making everyone laugh,